Hey guys, what is custom instructions and how to set custom instructions in ChatGPT? Set it once and benefit forever. Every time you open a ChatGPT chat, you start from zero. No context, no history, no understanding of who are you and what you need. Custom instructions fix this issue permanently. You tell ChatGPT two things once and it applies them to every single conversation after that. How it functions, how it works. Launch ChatGPT. Here from the bottom left corner, your profile icon, click on it, and here choose personalization. Click on it. Here scroll down and you will find custom instructions. Simply type here any custom instructions. For example, I am a second year undergraduate and preparing for exam. This is the first instructions. The second one is always use simple language, give real word examples. This is the two custom instructions I have sent, and every conversation you have after setting this will be more relevant, more targeted, and more useful without you typing a single word of context. So simply you can set a custom instruction and finally click on save. Custom instructions updated message you will receive. Now ChatGPT know you and what you type in chat, first response it will take from your custom instructions.